Hello guys, what's up? This is Fire Officer 1, Joseph Enricoso from BFP IPIL, Plan Evaluator / Fire Safety Inspector. At ngayon, another topic na naman sa ating episode, BFP Standards. Isa sa kadalasang na-misuse ng mga clients natin na nagpapasa ng plano sa ating office ay yung paggamit ng word na or project name na apartment. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung ano pala ang definition ng apartment buildings. According sa section 10.2.14.1 of paragraph C of RA 9514, sinasabi dito, apartment buildings are buildings containing 3 or more living units with independent cooking and bathroom facilities, whether designated as condominium, row house, apartment house, tenement, garden apartment, or any other name. So, sa lahat ng nagdi-design dyan, civil engineers or architect, ang ibig sabihin ng apartment building ay yung room na may sariling kitchen at may sariling bathroom facilities. Aside from that, hindi na natin siya matatawag na apartment. Maybe, mabibilang na siya sa lodging and roaming houses, hotels, dormitories, or single and two family dwellings. That's all. Thank you.